Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Everybody, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Joseph Lin. And this whole month, we're teaching you a phrase that you ask pretty often. It comes in handy when you want to ask someone out. 就是有空吗? Do you have time?
有閒冇？
有閒冇 Very easy 3 words. 其實蠻容易學的。有閒冇3個字就可以約到一個人。比如說我們都是上班族嘛，對不對？那下班了就自然而然就會約同事去吃個飯等等之類的嘛。好 So let's put you in a scenario when you're getting off work. You want to invite your colleagues to have dinner or something. 待會兒下班有空嗎? After work, do you have time?
等下下班。
等下下班。
有閒冇？
有閒冇 That's do you have time? 等下就是等一下。Later, 下班。
下班。
Okay, that means getting off work. Do you have time? Okay, 所以 Alice, 等會兒下班你有空嗎？
我加班呢。
這你不教我大概知道了。你用工作來擋我。
沒有。
要加班，對不對？
對，我加班。
我加班 That means I gotta do some overtime.
用班黑冇？
用班黑冇？你現在又變蠻柔情的，為什麼？
我說啦，要加班怎麼了？
怎麼了？What do you want? Okay, well, 我想約你一起吃飯啊，怎麼說呢？
想約
想約
鄉下來去
鄉下來去
吃飯
吃飯知道吃飯就吃飯嘛吃茶就是喝茶嘛想約這3個字好像很好用好像意思就是想約你這樣子
對你怎麼知道？
所以我到一個女生旁邊就說想約就好了嘛
有那人家被你嚇死
想約The first 3 words 想約that means I want to ask you out basically 鄉下來去吃飯 that means have dinner together okay
那吃飯海陸腔吃飯
吃飯 okay different dialect for eating okay whether it be a lunch a breakfast or even dinner 好啦你要加班是我等你啊
有樣
好沒話說了我們來 review 吧 okay 來第一個是下班 getting off work
下班
然後萬一要 overtime 加班加班然後想約你 I want to ask you out
想約
And it's all about do you have time 有空嗎
有閒冇
And that does for today's Practical Hakka
什麼大家
漢字細張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.